Hey guys, what's up? How is it going? This is Easy Pictures to Draw, and this is Halloween drawing week, and today we're going to go how to draw a murder axe, right? Or a spooky movie axe, a horror axe, like in the movies. So let's grab a marker, and I'm going to grab two colored pencils, a brown and a black, and a red. And that's pretty much all you need. I'm going to try to make it as simple as possible. I'm going to go very step by step. If you need to rewind or pause, please do so. Stay till the end. It's very short. Let's get going. I am going to draw a line across diagonal. Easy, right? Line up. This one over here, though, I'm gonna curl it back. It's gonna fan out. Now I'm going to draw a straight line up. Easy, right? Super simple. Chill. If you want, you can draw with a marker. You can draw like maybe thin lines because usually the grain of wood will show a little bit, but just try to make them thin, and sparingly, not too many. Next, what we're going to do, I'm going to grab a brown and I'm going to color this handle, and it's just going to be a flat with colored pencils. This is a it's a Crayola brand colored pencil. Easy, simple. I think they're like $1 at Walmart or wherever, Target. Easy. Then I'm gonna grab the red and I'm gonna put some fake blood on it. Like a movie. Anyone can do that, even beginners, everything. It's awesome. It's really easy. I'm not trying to sound cynical, sorry. I was like, am I sounding cynical here? But this is random, by the way. There's no rhyme or reason to what I'm doing. I'm just doing random blobs. It's supposed to be a random, scary movie axe. And then I'm gonna grab the black here, and I'm gonna slightly throw some value on the edge of this, and maybe go up here, and kind of let it slight value. And just slowly graded it up because the axe has a bit of like a curve itself, and the light hits it a certain way, so a lot of it's going to be white if it's reflected. But yeah, just very simple, and that's it. You're done. If you made it to this point, you are done. You are amazing. Thank you so much. Rewind if you need to, like I said. Press that like button if it was simple enough, and share the video because the Halloween season is amazing. I'm not totally sure, I'm going to throw a link in the first comment, in the highlighted comment that I'm going to make, and it is going to have a really amazing art book that I sell. If you like drawing monsters and Halloween-esque things, it is a little book. It is $15. It's not even that little. It's 24 pages. Every page is art that I don't put anywhere, and I've done it in ballpoint pen. So you're going to love that if you love this kind of stuff. Thank you so much. Check it out, guys. I'll talk to you later.